Yeah, welcome back to the channel. I just have to clean up a little in the garage and take in our Toyota Camry because it have been to a control and it need to fix something on the exhaust at least, and checking lights. So then we need to try to see if this 2000 model Celica that we have worked on the brakes, if this is want to start up now. Started right up. That was good. Now the back brakes have been fixed on this one. I just have to remember where the reverse is. Now I'm out in a Camry 2004 model that I have to go in and check the exhaust in the back. I have to drive it in now, but it was icing down so badly because we have started to get minus even some days. Now I see it's only 1 degree plus Celsius outside. So now just moving this one just a little and try to take the Celica up where this one was standing and drive this one in where the Celica was. So it's back and forth and back and forth. It's like that. But this car back in the Celica. Now just have to drive this one up and park it where the Camry was standing. I don't even remember what all the kinds of things on this was. Okay. You have to have DAB and thing on the radio in Norway. Yeah, first we just have to park it and we can just take a short look in the garage and the messed up place. My garage is filled up. I was out throwing some batteries, but still I have 5 batteries standing in the garage. Some oil products, a lot of different parts from different builds. Yeah, some tools are in boxes and put them on the wall. But still, this garage is only 3 meters wide, 6 meters long, so it's too small. I have a welder here I have to fix also. Even more lights, more photo equipment. I have to throw some boxes. I have more LED bars, more filters, and a lot of other parts lying other places, just waiting for the project to be able to start on them. So, but now I just have to clean up a little and drive in the car so I can see if I'm able to check how big the exhaust pipe is under where it have the problems. Under here, the brake connection here, it was giving noises, and someone was talking about putting some other piping on the top of that screw together. Just cut away this part. And to be able to do that, I just have to take a measurement of the pipe. Luckily I found my tool for that. Just checking here, this pipe is 5.5 centimeters. So if I'm going to cut it off and put on something out there. You have to be able to go around 5.5 and clamp in. I've never done that before. Maybe some of you guys have done it. Is that the best, or if I try to put in some pasta in that connection problem, if I've been able to disconnect that and get in new screws, but the problem is everything is very rusty. I don't think I'm going to do that. That is just going to make me problems. So I have to see if I can buy the thing I need. Here you see the problem with the garage. The space between here is too little. Just make myself problems all the time. So this I have to get fixed. Need a bigger garage. I need this as fast as possible. I also need to try to fix this car because a friend would like to buy it and he needs a car fast, so we have to see. Please come back to the channel. Please, if someone has some information about the exhaust on this Camry, should I just cut it off and put in a pipe system and try to screw it in, or what should I do? Change everything under here is very expensive. I don't like to do it because I don't have any lift in the garage, so it's kind of sketchy. So you have to see. But please come back, please subscribe to the channel, and please put a like if you think the video was okay. Please put a comment about the cars. My boys Celica, we're going to do more with it, but now I just have to fix this. The Land Cruisers, we're going to do more about that and a lot of other things. It's just I have to get a little better before I can start up with full speed again. So thank you.